What's going on? You thought I was gonna say what's up everybody, but first I want to say thanks everyone for 20,000 subscribers. Really cool to wake up to that. Super awesome. Really excited. I don't know, I'm probably like the slowest growing YouTuber on YouTube, but whatever, we hit 20,000. Freaking awesome. Let's get into today's video.
See, now I heard it, so I know.
What you doing?
It's time to clean the glasses.
Are you blind?
I am.
What's up? You know what it is. White Girl Saturday. Catch me out Starbucks. How about that? Update. Starbucks has still not fixed this. It's been a while. If you don't know, Starbucks is trying to save turtles also. So we don't get no dang straws! Strawless Starbucks lids for the fail. Alright, so today's video is about this Peztio dash cam. I don't know if that's how you say it or not, but they asked me if... Just stir it along, Kennedy. Stir it up! They asked me if they could send me a dash cam and I would do a review on it. I thought, absolutely, why not? It seems like everyone's doing dash cams these days. And with how social media is, everything ends up on the internet. So I think it's honestly good to have one of these. But we're gonna test it out today and see actually how good it is. It's got HD video recording, 1080p, 4-inch HD display. I'll show you that in just a second. It's got 170-degree wide angle, so it's pretty good field of view. It actually comes with a rear view camera. So you can actually hook up a rear view camera and plug it into this, and you can, if you don't have a rear view camera, which most new vehicles do, you can actually have a rear view camera with it, and it comes with it. And I think this is 99 bucks on Amazon. Loop recording, a G sensor, and it does actually record audio. So in a second here, well, probably actually in a minute, we're gonna switch to this camera, and that way you guys can see the quality of what it actually shows, and you can actually see the audio. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here is the 4-inch display. Nice little camera. Honestly looks like a point and shoot camera. So full HD, 1080p, little 4-inch display. So if you hook up the rear view camera, you would see it on here. And we've got a little suction cup mount for it. So we'll hook that up in here in just a second. And it actually runs off your cigarette lighter, so you don't have to worry about charging it ever or replacing batteries, which is kind of nice. The only thing I hate about these types of deals is they kind of get in the way. But luckily, let me show you, the RAM has one up here. So the cord, usually your cord is kind of dangling here if you have like a radar detector, but it's got one up here. So boom, camera worked perfectly. What else we got in the box? Here is the rear view camera. Comes with a little foam pad and a bracket. I don't know well you can see that, but this is the rear view camera. That's pretty cool. So we'll have to hook that up so we can show you guys that also, and some instructions on how to hook it up. So here is the home screen. You can actually take pictures with it too, which is kind of cool. So just click record. Pretty much everything's set on auto right now, and you do have to insert an SD card. It does not come with an SD card, but for 99 bucks, this honestly isn't bad. So that's kind of what it looks like. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch to this camera, so we're gonna show you that point of view. All right, we are on the Peztio dash cam. So just kind of show you exactly what it looks like. The wide angle is pretty perfect for a dash cam, the 170. And the quality from the screen at least looks good. I don't know how well the volume is or how well it takes volume right now, but you guys will see this and hear it. But it looks pretty good on this camera. Looks just like a GoPro, honestly, to me. So we are gonna hook up the rear view camera and show you what that looks like, and then we'll get some driving.
Stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget, yeah.
Alright, so we're testing out the backup camera. Woo, 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 woo. So it puts it in the corner right there, which is pretty cool. We can open the door, kind of see how it adjusts to the sunlight because it's really bright. So it adjusts pretty quickly.
Hold on, there's the glare.
Takes a little bit of time, but it adjusts pretty quickly. And it's honestly, I mean, it's a small backup camera, but it's honestly not bad. I might use this in the Mustang.
Oh gosh.
Seriously. That's pretty cool. Okay. Alright, so I was really impressed with that actually, and I think for the price you really can't beat it. So check the link in the description below if you'd like to purchase this camera. I think I'm going to actually use it on the Mustang when we take it racing at the drag strip to give you guys like the front field of view, and then I can use my GoPros on the outside of the car. So I'm really impressed with it. Kennedy? Thought it was cool. She's checking her phone.
9 out of 10. It's
9 out of 10.
It's pretty snazzy. I would use it.
Yeah. I think the quality is really good, and for the price and the fact that it comes with a backup camera. So if you don't have a backup camera, that could come in really handy. Obviously, it's small, but it honestly works. So a lot of people are using dash cams. I know, especially in like the semi world, people that are traveling long distances, people use them for insurance purposes, and honestly, you could use it for vlogging also. So I highly recommend it. Check the link in the description below if you'd like to purchase it. As always, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 20,000. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Guys, I just wanted to say thank you again so much for 20K. We're out this bitch.